I've always wanted to make my own laundry detergent. When I had kids at home, I had 3 kids myself. I would buy buckets of liquid laundry detergent. It cost a fortune. Back then it was $9 for a bucket. I don't even know what it is anymore. But I went on YouTube, got a few do-it-yourself videos, and made my own laundry detergent. And darned if it didn't work. Yes. So for $2, I made 10 gallons of laundry detergent. So really, knock yourself out, be creative, whatever floats your boat. This is just stuff that I get excited about. But there's stuff that you get excited about, and that's what you should do. And make your own bleach. I make my own bleach. I started brewing my own bitters. I always make my own vinegar, but that's just another thing you can do. And these are things that don't take a lot of time and that you can do in about 10 minutes or so. You can even make your own mustard. Now, limitation. Maybe you don't have the ingredients. If you don't have the ingredients, don't do it. Do something else. Just, go down your list.